Alright, I just got a shower. It's very gloomy outside. Taking the dog out. I'm gonna try to get a 3 to 4 mile tempo run in, probably more like 3, down at some hills in Texarkana, but I'm just not sure if that's gonna happen. It might rain. Yeah, but I'll check back in with y'all later. Alright, all the pieces we have are in the puzzle. But the thing is, we are missing 4 pieces. One right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. I'm not sure if they were already missing or if we lost them, but we're looking for them. But we did all we could, so I count that as done. Finally, took like a week, but it's done right now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is. And I just found this weighted vest. I know I can do like body weight exercises in it to add extra pounds and help strengthen me, like pull-ups, push-ups, squats, whatever. But I don't know if I should use it for running like once a week, just like a mile or 2 in it. Guess there. He just wants to go outside. This is a Rubik's Cube. Now this is me solving one side. Alright, now that you've seen that, I mean, I got one side. I want to learn how to get all 6 sides. Alright, so apparently I didn't have it set up right now. So I don't have a side anymore. But I did this thing called the daisy. That's step 1. And all the pieces are aligned. Like I've got the green piece by the green and all that. I'll check back in. Alright boys, step 2 was an easy one. I just rotated them. Now I have the white cross. Alright, I now have one side. I have the bottom layer. There. Red, green, orange, blue, and I have the whole white side. First layer done. Alright boys, I'm making good progress. I've got the second layer. Just got one more layer. Alright boys, I'm still working on it. I now have step 5, the yellow cross. Alright boys, I now have the yellow side. Just gotta get the top layer. I now have all but one piece on every part except for blue. I just gotta do the final step. Yes sir, I have accomplished the Rubik's Cube. I've conquered it. Blue, orange, green, red, yellow, and white. Yes, sir. Alright, now that I have mentally challenged myself with the Rubik's Cube, I'm going to physically challenge myself with a little 8-minute abs and a body weight, upper body workout. I'll see y'all later. Alright, I just got done with my little body weight workout. Can't stress how important strength training is for runners. Check back in later. Alright, unfortunately for you, that is gonna conclude the video. It is officially day 13 of quarantine, and we are at a stay-at-home order, so we can't go out and do anything that's not essential. So, yeah, basically we can't do anything, and our schools are closed until May 1st or later. And I hope y'all are staying safe out there. Keep your social distancing 6 feet away at all times. Wash your hands. Just know that you have my prayers. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.